VitaShield Vitamin Canned Liposome Intensive Moisturizer is a breakthrough in skin moisturizing technology. Utilizing proven ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and E, the VitaShield Intensive Moisturizer delivers the payload through highly effective liposomes, which are microscopic oil-based particles which penetrate the epidermis and deliver the moisturizing components, antioxidants, and other special ingredients deep into the skin. VitaShield Vitamin C and E Intensive Moisturizer used in the morning and evening will make a noticeable difference in our skin's appearance. The VitaShield Intensive Moisturizer should be used with the VitaShield Vitamin C Intensive Treatment product to maximize results while eliminating any skin dryness caused by using the VitaShield Vitamin C Intensive Treatment. Available for purchase at www.motivescosmetics.com/beauty and the geek.